All right. Welcome back. It's Charlie Sears, and I'm going to show you where I like to go car camping with my RAV4 out in Anza Borrego State Park. Getting there is half the fun, right? So we're going to make a few stops along the way. But first things first, Anza Borrego Park is huge. It's almost 1,000 square miles. So with that said, there's dozens of ways to get to the park. I came in through Borrego Springs and headed over to Henderson Canyon Road to check out the wildflowers blooming. These flowers only bloom once a year. This was filmed mid-January, which was pretty early in the season. I'm a typical boy though. I only spent about 5 minutes here before heading over to Fonts Point. To get to Fonts Point, you gotta drive about 4 miles off-road, and the drive really isn't that treacherous, but it is extremely sandy, so keeping your speed up is important to avoid getting stuck. I obviously like to keep my speed really up. Just drive safe and be courteous to others along the way. Once you get to the end, there's a small parking area with free parking, and once you park the car, it's a short walk to the main view area. Absolutely stunning views, great for sunset. Hard to believe this is in San Diego County. So, had a quick lunch, wasn't that good. Then I made my way over to my favorite camp spot in all of San Diego. Again, Anza Borrego is huge, and it was an hour-and-a-half drive from Fonts Point to where I planned on camping. Now, I'm going to show you my favorite spot, but I am not going to tell you exactly where this is. I'm going to gatekeep this exact location a little bit. If you know where this is, great. If you don't, well, I urge you to get out there and explore. Find where you want to camp. Most of the park is free for dispersed camping, which means you can essentially camp wherever you like, with some restrictions. But there are plenty of campgrounds available too. I recommend Blair Valley or Agua Caliente for first-timers. But check out the view from my spot. Tomorrow morning, the sun's gonna rise over the mountains there, and I just love this spot. So let's set up for a night off the grid. First thing I'm gonna do is pull out the awning. If you're paying attention or a seasoned car camper, you might be wondering why I'm pulling it out towards the sun at sunset. Well, luckily the wind is super calm right now, and it's nice to wake up in the morning with the awning already out, blocking the sun from sunrise. I love the sunrise, just not a fan of cooking in direct sun, if that makes any sense. Next, I set up my water, then I get my bed all set up so I don't have to do that in the dark later. This angle gives you a good overview of how I utilize my car camping setup. My dad and I designed this setup for my RAV4 a few years back, and I'm extremely happy with how it came out. It's got tons of hidden storage, and while two could sleep in here, it's absolutely ideal for one. Next, I get my table and chair set up, and see how the shade is all on this side of the car right now? I plan on just hanging out on this side of the car until the sun sets, setting up my chairs, setting up my tables, jamming to some music, just taking in the views and looking around, enjoying the peace and quiet. So once we got everything all set up, time to sit back, relax. But check it out, right as the sun started to set, listen to this. Coyotes! Never saw them and never heard them again, but sheesh, that was startling. The next bit is the ASMR section, so shh. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the ASMR. I'm back because I get asked all the time when I'm talking about car camping, what do I do if I got a poo? Well, this. Luckily, I didn't even have to use it on this trip, but this is my collapsible toilet. I hate using it, but you can't beat the views, right? Folds up and packs away, super convenient. Throw it in my little tote box here. Last thing before we leave is roll up the awning, and then we are on our way. So thanks for watching this. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1 million subscribers and I'm almost there. Every like, comment, subscribe goes a long way. So thanks again. It's Charlie Sears and I'll see you out there.